The Naga People's Front NPF candidate Kachui Zimik'S, contesting from Outer Manipur parliamentary constituency for the Lok Sabha polls, has kicked off his election campaign today at New Cannon Ground in Ukhrul district. Speaking during the event, Zimik'S stressed the need for all communities residing in the state to foster mutual understanding and coexist peacefully. He exhorted the people to refrain from engaging in unwanted activities during the elections and exercise their franchise peacefully. Zimik'S asserted that to bring normalcy and restore peace at the earliest, people's participation is need of the hour. He said, faith of candidates depends on the mandate of people.
We need changes and make Manipur a much better place to live in harmony and shared prosperity. All communities in Manipur must coexist in peace with mutual respect for each other and also understanding. Manipur gi ichin inausing ekoi mayam changlaga Manipur she shemkat she masi ekoi mayam gi thapakni haibasi nakoi bo ena she hajin ninge.
Health Minister Sapam Ranjan, who also attended the campaign, said, since people voted BJP-led alliance to power in 2017, Chief Minister N. Biren has been constantly taking Manipur towards the path of development. To bridge the gap between the hills and valley, BJP-led alliance has convened cabinet meetings in hills and valley to address plight of people. Moreover, many outreach programs like the Hill Leaders Day, Miyam Ginumit, among others, have been organized.
Improvement Tamnanaba, India is one of the first health schemes, Chief Minister. So this is what you call governance. And what better way of showing that we are united for the people of Manipur, for the state of Manipur. Karamba government na inner line permit system. It is for the people, for the indigenous people. NRC push the process. So that is the importance of a government for the indigenous people.